Well, I'll have to reclaim my life. My passport was seized 6 years ago. That meant I couldn't travel out of Nigeria for 6 years, and because I was on trial for 5 years, I couldn't do any work. I'm basically a reporter, just like you. I'm a journalist and broadcaster, and because I have a criminal case against me, I couldn't do my work. So I didn't have a livelihood for the last 5 years. So I've had to depend on friends to survive. So I'll now pick up my life and then go back to what I love to do. I have been a journalist and broadcaster for the last 48 years of my life. So I'll go back to doing what I know.
What about your audiences from office?
Well, we'll pursue the issues, because the letter says you are suspended pending the determination of the case against you. But we thank God that the case is over. That's the basic thing, that I can now reclaim my life.
Thank you very much.
This case is ended successfully. It started 7 years ago. So 7 years of our lives have been literally in limbo. And the amazing thing today is that I was actually suspended as the DG of NBC on the 13th of February 2020. And today is February 13th, 2025. So exactly 5 years ago, I was suspended from the office. And today, 5 years later, I've gotten judgment from the Nigerian court dismissing all the charges, the 3 charges against me. So we're very grateful to God.
Nothing to discharge. It was all trumped up, and we were certain that this day will come and we'll be acquitted, because you heard the judgment. There was no evidence at all to ground any of the charges that were filed against us. This time we just found out that it's over. We are free to live our lives. Our lives have been in suspension for about 7 years.
Are you willing to press any further charge?
I'm going to have to rely on my lawyers to advise on that. I'm a lawyer as well, and I have over four decades of experience as a lawyer. So, but I still have to rely on professionals on what next steps to take. Thank you very much.